entered Tirupati, and now we will go to Tirupati and do the darshan there. Guys, say Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. 1 2 3 4
गणपति जी की जय जयकार।
गणपति महाराज की
जय।
गणपति महाराज की
जय।
नाउ
हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं तिरुपति एंड हमारा प्लान था सुबह 6 बजे स्टार्ट करने के लिए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग अलार्म देने भूल गए थे और हम सुबह उठे ही 6 बजे, और जैसे ही देखे 6 बज गए हम भाग भाग के फटाफट रेडी होके निकल चले। और अब टाइम हो रहा है 8 o'clock। हम स्टार्ट किए 8 o'clock, 2 hours लेट एज पर आवर प्लान। हमेशा लेट ही हो जाता है बच्चे के साथ, बट इस पर बच्चे के साथ नहीं, हमारे गलती की वजह से। एंड हम जा रहे हैं सैटरडे को स्टार्ट किए वीकेंड में। एंड देखिए यहाँ पे हमारा पहला टोल आ गया है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताए थे। सो इन दिस video I'm covering all the details how to start from Bangalore to how to reach Tirupati, again from Tirupati to Tirumala will come in the part 2. So हमारा प्लान है हम तिरुपति कानीपाकम होके जाएंगे। सो कानीपाकम जाते टाइम रास्ते में ही आता है। सो विल डू द दर्शन फॉर गणपति एंड कानीपाकम, देन विल गो टू प्रोसीड डायरेक्ट टू तिरुपति एंड विल डू द दर्शन तिरुमाला इन द नेक्स्ट संडे। सो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं हमारा फर्स्ट टोल जो कि है होस्कोटे, एंड यहाँ पे टोल का कॉस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं है, ओनली 25 रुपीज़। एंड रोड्स आर सुपर गुड एंड क्लाइमेट भी बहुत अच्छा था। ऐसे बेंगलोर का क्लाइमेट तो अच्छा रहता है। बेंगलोर टू तिरुपति टाइमिंग विल बी 4 hours एंड हमारा प्लान है ब्रेकफास्ट हम लोग नहीं किए हैं। सो रास्ते में हमें ब्रेकफास्ट करना है एंड लंच विल हैव वंस वी रीच द तिरुपति। और तिरुपति में हमें तिरुमला में हमें बुक रूम्स नहीं मिला, सो वी टुक द बुक नीचे लाइक तिरुपति में। एंड देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ मार्ट एंड द अकोमोडेशन बाय द टीटीडी, बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट, सो यू हैव टू बुक वेरी अर्ली एंड वेल अहेड। एंड ये जो दर्शन है हम जा रहे विदाउट बुकिंग, विदाउट पेमेंट, एंड इट्स डायरेक्ट दर्शन। Those are having kids below 1 year, they can do this special darshan by the Supatham gate. The facility called Supatham and it's the gate name Supatham. अगर आपके पास बच्चे हैं 1 year से बिलो, आप ये दर्शन कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली जाके। एंड यहाँ पे हो गया टाइम अराउंड 9:30 एंड हम अभी रुकेंगे A2B में। आज जैसे इन माई लास्ट ब्लॉग वी ऑलवेज प्रीफर द गुड प्लेस टू हैव द ब्रेकफास्ट, क्योंकि हम ट्रैवल करें, कोई स्टोमक अपसेट ना हो, कोई इन्फेक्शन ना हो। दैट्स वी ऑलवेज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द प्लेसेस एंड A2B आवर गो टू प्लेस एवरी टाइम। एंड वी रीच्ड A2B and as usual my daughter is super excited. She is a dosa lover. Wherever whatever the time 24/7 she can have dosa. See, look at her face. And आई एम द पूरी लवर। डोसा भी मेरा तो सब कुछ चलता है, बट यस पूरी इज़ माई फेवरेट। एंड यहाँ पे हम ब्रेकफास्ट मंगाए उत्तपम, पूरी एंड इडली। सो देखिए उसको इडली भी खाना है, डोसा भी खाना है, पापा के प्लेट से खाना है ये। और beside A2B there is a beautiful shop and they have varieties of collection of all the brands. So we purchased this small dress for my little one, this frock for the darshanam. And यहाँ पे हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया and we are starting again towards कानीपाकम। ऐसे कानीपाकम के लिए कोई डिफरेंट वे नहीं है, ऑन द वे ही आएगा। रोड्स आर वेरी गुड and there is no, you will enjoy the drive, and there is couple of tolls and tolls costs also not more than 100. All the tolls costs are below 100. Yes, so we'll come back to the topic. For this darshan you have to take your birth certificate of your baby or discharge summary. You can visit, यहाँ पे हमारा next toll आ गया, see, and I have covered all the tolls. You can check how many tolls you were crossing and what is the cost. Cost is very less. If you really want to know the exact cost, you can DM me, I'll share the details. and we are visiting Tirupati, almost after 10 years. कभी हमें दर्शन का टिकट मिलता ही नहीं है. So whenever we try to book, it's always so it's full. So we are super excited, emotional also, because we started we visited this place before our wedding, and अब हम पूरे बच्चे के साथ जा रहे हैं. We are traveling with 2 kids. And my little one is 6 months. We actually missed. We can visit earlier also when she was 3 months, but नहीं हो पाया. So you can visit after 90 days of your last visit. So suppose we are visiting now, we can visit again after 90 days, but it should be your age limit of 1 year. Your baby should not cross 1 year. So चलिए गोविंदा के नाम लेके हम लोग निकल पड़े सुबह ही. And see, the roads are really good climate, and बस गोविंदा का गाना लगा के आप सुनते सुनते ही आप पहुंच जाएंगे. 4 hours is not a long journey, it's quite small journey. And so that excitement is very high. यहाँ पे हमारा नेक्स्ट टोल आ गया. सो अब तक हम लोग 3 टोल क्रॉस किए. Yes, you can skip the first toll hoskete, but for 25 rupees, bypassing that hoskete toll and going inside here and there long, I don't feel it's a worth. Rather than you can pay 25 rupees the toll and you can cross that hoskete toll. So यहाँ पे हमारा 3 टोल क्रॉस किया हम, and we are just more close to तिरुपति and Kanipakam भी हम लोग विजिट किए थे पहले, and that is also almost 10 years before. So the plan is we'll visit the Kanipakam, then we'll reach the hotel. The next day we have the darshan, the Tirumala. We'll go to Tirumala since we didn't get the accommodation in top of the hill, so we booked the hotel in Tirupati. And while returning back to Bangalore, we'll go to Kalahasti. So I heard we should not visit Kalahasti before Tirumala darshan, or it means once you visit the Kalahasti, you should go to home. You should not go anywhere. And there is a special South movie also came on based on the Kalahasti, and जरूर जाना चाहिए. It's a beautiful place, and this is all our plan. And these all are very nearby and not so far. I think it's one hour journey from Tirumala to Kalahasti, not much. का मेला चल रहा है. We are traveling during Diwali. Since my daughter has school holidays, so we always prefer to follow her calendar, because हम लोग का तो छुट्टी हम कभी ले सकते हैं. And currently I'm in my maternity leave, so for me there is no issues. For my husband, he took leave. And here we reached the 4th toll. So as of now, so total we crossed 3, and this is the next toll. As I said, the toll cost is below 50 or maximum 70, and it's not more than, but worth paying the toll because road are super good. क्या प्लान करें तिरुपति जाने के लिए? If you have any doubt, any question, and anything to know about the ticket, darshan timing, the road and location of the darshan queue, you can ping me. I'll answer to you. So we are feel very blessed and grateful. And प्लान तो कब का किए थे, पर आज एकदम से हम लोग निकले कि नहीं हमें जाना है. लाइक ऐसे फ्राइडे वी जस्ट डिसाइडेड लेट्स गो टुमारो टू तिरुमाला. जिसे बोलते हैं ना, भगवान का बुलावा नहीं आते तो आप लोग नहीं जा सकते. And I visited when I was in Hyderabad. See, we reached Kanipakam. This is the entrance of the Kanipakam. Yes. So from Kanipakam to Tirupati is just 1 hour journey. This is the main gate of Kanipakam. Yes, you can see the beautiful, and the roads are super neat and clean. One thing good about Tirupati, what I noticed, this is a small city, but cleaning is in at the top. Like it's really each of the road you see, it's very neat and clean, and they have well maintained entire area. This is the second entrance gate to Kanipakam. आप जरूर जाना कानीपाकम होके. It will not take much time. You can stay 1 hour is enough to do the darshan and all, and you can have your lunch also there. They have the lunch facility like an Unafresher is there. See, and यहाँ पे ticket है parking का, and it's only 20 rupees. Yes, parking cost in Kanipakam is 20 rupees. Oh, sorry, it's 60 rupees. Sorry, guys, it's 60 rupees. I thought it's 20 rupees. No. In Kalahasti, it's 20 rupees. It isn't 60 rupees. Sorry. And see, we reached the beautiful Kanipakam temple. There are many parking spaces, so no need to worry about that. You can park anywhere around the temple. So there is no issue. This is the main entrance, the yellow one. Gate. Yes. Phone are not allowed inside the temple. You can submit your phone and it costs 20 rupees each mobile. We are searching for the parking area. We are little confused where to park. So then we parked this side, left side of the temple gate. I just make it little faster the video so that it will not take much time and you will not feel more bored. In this temple, you will get many small things to purchase like the bracelet, the anklets, the bangles. See, the moment you enter, and trust me guys, the cost is very reasonable. It's very less compared to other places. Beautiful necklace also you have, and while you are entering in the right side, you have the shopping area. It's a variety store kind. You will get everything, kids toy, puja item, and cold drinks also there, soda also there, snacks also there. See guys, hello, hi guys, and this is the help text number. This is the entrance. We had a very good darshan. Now we proceeded for the prasadam. Here you can see the prasadam, and we took the ticket of 300 rupees for the Atisigra darshan, and we had a beautiful darshan. It took us around 30 minutes to make the darshan. And here the donation counter. After having prasadam, we are donating for the Annaprasad, and this is the exit area of the prasadam hall. You can see the people around here. People are coming for the prasadam here, and now we are proceeding ahead to Tirupati, and it took 1 hour here, and mobile is not allowed as I said, and there is ticket 150 rupees Sigra darshan, 300 rupees Atisigra darshan. You can make, and for kids below 12 years, and it is free, and you can deposit your footwear free of cost inside the temple premises. It is there just close to the shop. And here we are going to Tirupati. See the beautiful hills, climate, it's really good guys. The vibe is good, and it was not too hot, not sunny, so we enjoyed. And this is the 5th toll we are crossing. As I said, worth paying the toll payment. Roads are super good. You will enjoy the long drive, and it's not just long journey, it's a very short journey. In 1 hour you will reach the Tirupati, and in my part 2 video you can see the journey from Tirupati to Tirumala. I'll cover all the ghat road details, and the darshan queue, darshan area, and where to collect what, where to submit, what is the timing and all. I just love the vibes, the yellow flowers and the hills across our road. In the right side also, left side. Let's see, we reached the Tirupati. It took us 1 hour, and as I said, we booked the hotel not in Tirumala. We didn't get any mart over there, and this building is our hotel. We reached